friends, so Roma is back. Welcome to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Chana Rice. It's a totally vegetarian and vegan, and we're going to use the spices and rice and the garbanzos. So I have a 1 cup of garbanzo beans and 1 cup of rice. So I always like basically the same quantity, the 1 cup of garbanzo, then I have 1 cup of rice. And this is the onion, the red onion, so it's like a half medium size onion I already cut and chopped. And I have the spices, so this is the garam masala, cinnamons, and the cumin seeds. So we have, this is the whole one, not the grinded garam masala. I have the salt, like a 1 teaspoon, and then this one is like the grinded garam masala, and like a half teaspoon and half teaspoon of red chili and black pepper and a salt. So this is all we need to make chana rice. So the first thing, the method, I'm going to show you how to start to making the rice. So the stove, the pan is like a 5 quart, so needs to be not too big, not too small. So I'm going to use like basically 3 tablespoons of oil. So 1, 2, and 3. So you have to wait a little bit so it's get a little bit hot, and then we can add the onion inside. So now you can see the oil is getting hot. I'm going to add the onions in it. We have to wait until this onion will be golden brown. So you can see how nicely the onions is brown, golden brown. So now is the time to add the garbanzos. Chana is in there. You can see now I add the garbanzos, chana is in there, and now we have to let it cook for at least 5 minutes, so it's get a little bit cooked. Now the garbanzo is deep, like a brownish golden, and it's ready. So now we can add the spices. Salt always the optional. Black pepper, and this is the whole garam masala. This is the grinded one, and the red chili. So we have to wait, like we give it like a minute, that everything blend and cooked with the garbanzos. So if you have a 1 cup of rice and 1 cup of garbanzo, so we will have to add 2 cups of water. We add the water, and you can see, so we need to wait like a 5 minutes to cook everything together to get a really good flavor, and all the spices will cook together. And we have to cover it and just wait for at least 5 minutes to add the rice. Cover this and turn the heat a little bit medium. So let's open the lid and see the water is boiling. Okay, it's ready. So now is the time we can add the rice. So you can see start like giving us a nice color. So now is the time to add the rice. So we add the rice, and then obviously you have to wash the rice, and now we add the rice and it needs to be cooked. You can see how nicely the color, the goldish brown color is coming. So we need to let it cook for at least 10 minutes. Cover the pan and the heat should be medium. Okay, so it's been 10 minutes. So now time to check, So it's cooking really good. You can see the long grain. The water is more important. If you have 1 cup of rice, you have to double it. So 2 cups of water. So you can see the color. And now the heat needs to be very low. So at least 10 more minutes. And we have to cover back. Okay, so let's see, open the dish. Now we have to turn the stove off because it's been 10 minutes. So I think the rice is ready. So, wow. You can see the long grain, how nicely the rice is. You can see every single rice. I'm going to dish out and try to taste how the taste is coming.